Hi, this is Dr. Kathy Kinnemer with the Student Success Team. I want to help you learn how to apply the study cycle to online learning. So with preview the material still before you watch a pre-recorded lecture, or if your professor is using Collaborate to have a virtual class at your regular scheduled time, preview the material just as if you were going into your face-to-face class. The preview step takes 10 minutes. Attend every class still. Some of your professors are holding virtual classes via Collaborate at the regularly scheduled times. Attend those sections. If your professor is pre-recording lectures, still watch every lecture and take notes during each lecture, whether it is synchronous or if you are watching that recorded lecture at your own leisure. After you've watched every lecture or participated in every virtual class, still review the material. Again, just as if you were going to face-to-face classes, the review is an opportunity for you to solidify the material that you understand and to ask questions over what you don't understand. Study is key, especially with online courses. Make it a daily habit to study all of your material. Use your intense study sessions to determine how much you need to study for each class on your own, to space that out over the week. Again, just as you were doing with face-to-face courses. However, now that responsibility for you has increased significantly, simply because you don't have instructors each day to remind you of homework, to remind you to study for upcoming exams. So these study sessions are critical. So as a reminder, what is an intense study session? Determine 35 to 60 minutes of very focused time for you to study. In the first few minutes, set a goal. Remember to determine, do I want to work 10 homework problems in calculus? Do I want to read chapter 6 in a particular subject? It doesn't matter. Set your goal for what you want to accomplish within that 35 minutes to 60 minutes time. Then study with focus. Eliminate your distractions. This is very critical as well with online learning. Go to a distraction-free place to be able to study. Use an app like the Freedom app if you want to block distractions from your phone or from your desktop. But study with focus during that time. After you've completed your focused study time, give yourself a 5-minute, 10-minute break before you move on. So right now it's an unprecedented time, but that might mean your break is to walk around your neighborhood, to do an in-home workout, to go to your kitchen to get a snack, to make a phone call to a friend. Find some way to reward yourself, and then you're going to be able to go back to your studies. In the last 5 minutes of your intense study session, review your material. So again, take a few minutes to determine and to assess, do I comprehend the material that I just studied at a level that will give me success? If the answer is no, have another study session over the material that you just completed. If your answer is yes, then perhaps you're ready to move on to the next section or the next task, or maybe you want to study for a different subject within your study session. Again, if you have any questions about how to apply the study cycle to online learning, or if you need assistance with setting a daily schedule, please let one of our coaches know. If you have an assigned coach, please reach out to that coach and we will be more than happy to help you come up with a plan that will bring you great success.